Hello, young learners. Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are going to have an exciting time learning about descriptive writing and how to write a letter using adjectives. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Introduction to descriptive writing. Descriptive writing is like creating pictures with words. It helps make our writing more interesting and fun to read. Understanding adjectives. Before we go, let's quickly review what adjectives are. Adjectives are special words that add details and describe nouns. They make our sentences colorful and bring our stories to life. Let's look at some examples of adjectives. See this cute puppy. The word cute is an adjective because it tells us how the puppy looks. Now, what about this big balloon? Big is also an adjective as it describes the size of the balloon. And look at this yummy cupcake. The word sweet is an adjective that tells us how it tastes. Now, let's learn how to write a letter using adjectives. Imagine you want to write a letter to your best friend, telling them about your favorite place. Start with a greeting, like "Dear friend," and then describe your favorite place using adjectives. For example, it is a beautiful park with tall trees, colorful flowers, and a sparkling lake. You can also grab a pen and paper and write a letter to a friend or family member, describing your favorite place using adjectives. Be as creative as you can. Fantastic work, everyone! Today, we learned about descriptive writing and how to use adjectives to make our writing more exciting. Remember, adjectives help us create vivid pictures in the reader's mind, making our stories unforgettable. Thank you for joining us at Reading Readiness Centers. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more fun learning content, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy reading and writing, everyone. Goodbye.